Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to make a mini Christmas wreath. So we're going to start with a slip knot. We're going to wrap the yarn around the fingers. When you flip it, there will be two lines. We're going to hook under the first one and hook into the second one. Then you're going to grab the tip of the yarn and you can just pull it on both sides. And that is a slip knot. Now we're going to continue with chains and we are going to make 15 chains. Once you're done making 15 chains, we're going to fold the chains and we are going to make a slip stitch on the very first chain. So now we have the ring to make the wreath, and for the next round we're not going to make the stitches on the chain, but instead we're going to make it on the ring. We are going to continue with single crochet. So for single crochet, we're going to insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull the yarn out, yarn over again and pull it through the loops. So that is a single crochet. We're going to mark that first single crochet. And we are going to make 15 more single crochet. So there are 16 single crochet in total. So this is what mine looks like after 16 single crochet. As you can see here, the whole ring is covered by 16 single crochet that I've made. If by any chance you need more single crochet to cover the whole ring, then you can add more single crochet. It will be fine as long as it is an even number. For the second round, we're going to start with a slip stitch on the next stitch. Then we're going to continue with 2 chains. And for this round, we're going to make increase half double crochet. So we have to make 2 half double crochet on the same stitch. We're going to wrap the yarn around the hook, insert it on the same stitch where we made the chain, yarn over and pull the yarn through. There will be 3 loops on your hook, yarn over again and pull it through all the loops. So that is a half double crochet. We're going to make another half double crochet still on the same stitch. And we are going to continue making increase half double crochet until we reach the end of this round. So this is what it's gonna look like. Next you can just cut off the yarn. Then we can just insert the yarn into the very first half double crochet that we've made. Next you can secure the yarn and weave in the end. So for the next round, we're going to use a white yarn and we're going to start with another slip knot. Then we can insert it into the wreath that we've made. You can insert it on any stitch. Then we're going to make 2 chains. Then still on the same stitch, we're going to make 2 half double crochet. We're going to skip one stitch and make a slip stitch on the next stitch. We're going to continue with a chain. Then still on the same stitch, we're going to make 2 half double crochet. Skip one stitch and make a slip stitch on the next stitch. We're going to continue with a chain and then 2 half double crochet still on the same stitch. We're going to skip one stitch and make a slip stitch on the next one. And that is the pattern for this round. We're going to repeat the pattern until we reach the end of the round. Once you are finished with the last half double crochet, we are going to make a slip stitch on the very first stitch. Then you can just cut off the yarn and we can weave in the end. Then for the last step, we're going to make the stripe with a green yarn. Then we're going to finish the step by making a bow. And that is it guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!